Making little dinosaur noises and shit. Right, keyword.
Guess how old I am, please. I dare you to guess.
Keyword.
Guess how old I am.
Hey.
Baby!
How you doing, big guy? You alright?
Oh, cheers, kids.
Do you want a soda?
Oh dear. What's that I want shit skins about? I want shit skins! What's that about? Alright, baby.
This number needs to match this number, guys. When this number matches this number, we roll.
User joined your channel.
Hello.
What's up, JJ?
Can someone guess how old I
Congrats,
was
Luda,
now?
on the 122 viewers that I just seen.
Thank you, bro. 148 at the moment.
104, yeah, it's gone up since like 2 minutes ago.
Spamming like shit.
Yeah.
I want shit skins. I want shit skins. I want shit skins.
User joined your
I should
channel.
time them all up for catch.
That'd be awesome.
I'm gonna be heading up in a second.
You gonna enter the giveaway?
I haven't got Twitter.
Oh, dude, just make one real quick with Facebook. It's easy. It takes like 2 seconds, man.
But you have to enter on Twitter.
Yeah, yeah. If you're not entered on Twitter, you won't be entered in the giveaway, man. It'll be re-rolled.
I'm not a Twitter man, me.
Fuck me, we have 250 people entered in the giveaway, but 125 people viewing. What's that about? Are those bots or
Oh,
something?
no. You got, well, it just went from 125 to 149 on mine.
Yeah, no, on mine it's saying, look at here, it's going up to 308, 309, 311, 312, 314, 315, 318, 300...
The fuck?
Have you set a timer on it yet? Or are you just doing it whenever?
Oh, yes, yeah, 230, yeah, it's 2, oh, because of today's like 230, 240 now.
Yeah. Stream's delayed. There's probably about that many.
I'm just
people on the
literally,
channel right
I'm just literally going to have a real quick cigarette, and by the time I come back I'm going to press roll button. They're going to love that, they're going to love that.
Are you able to put a timer up in the middle of the screen then?
How do I do that?
I don't know. I'm guessing it's a plugin.
I don't have the timer. Actually, wait 1 second. I can do the time live thing, and I can wait. Refresh. Time live. Right, the giveaway spam has now been live for like a minute or so, or half, 30 seconds. The new thingy is like on the top right hand corner. There's a timer. At 5 minutes on that timer, I'm gonna press roll. We need to get as many people in there as we can for this. Everyone's been waiting for it for days. A-Pop's back. That's good news. Otherwise, he'd have missed it. Come on, boys. Come on, boys. Keep spamming. I'll roll as soon as I get back from outside. Have a little quick cigarette.
Wait, shot, where
Be
are you?
rolled. Waiting for the show.
I'm gonna head off in a minute. Coming down.
Oh.
Commitment, mate.
I see.
Jose Royals.
do this shit.
Which shot do you do when you're out?
Alright, let's do this shit.
Just a massive land
610 people it's saying.
How you doing there, big guy?
170 viewers.
You know,
Why don't you do to get rid of the bots? Why don't you just change up the word and then that means everyone.
I will. I'm gonna do that right a second.
So
Nah, actually, it's taking too long to get. Wait. 1 second.
because if someone set up any bots or anything, you know.
Hey, how you doing there, big guy? You holding up alright? You want a soda? Hmm? Well, screw it, I tried.
Tell them on stream so they can get you to make sure they change it.
Yeah, there's an 18 seconds delay. Make sure you change it, guys. Give me knife now, guys. You've got 15 seconds to reply once I press the roll button.
Hey, how you doing there, big guy? You holding up alright? You want a soda? Hmm? Well, screw it, I tried.
You on?
Hey,
There we
Go
go.
on, him on.
There we go.
Alright, here we go, guys. We're gonna roll first. I'm
you want a
gonna have a little look who my last Twitter follower is now, guys. I'm gonna go over, have a little look.
Screw it, I tried.
My most recent Twitter follower is Immortal Storm. So anyone after Immortal Storm from now will not be included. Let's do this. Roll. Froggery Duck.
Hey, how you doing there, big guy? You holding up
1,
alright?
2, 3,
You
4,
want a soda?
5, 6, 7, 8,
Well, screw it, I
9,
tried.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
I don't feel froggy duck is
No
allowed.
reply. Re-roll on sub mode.
Hey, how you doing there, big guy? You
Here we go,
holding up
guys.
alright?
Rich sauce.
Roll.
Want a soda?
Symmetry.
Well, screw it, I tried.
1, 2, 3,
Cause.
4.
Yeah.
Boom.
Twitter follower.
Right.
Hold on.
Sin. I need Twitter account first and Steam trade URL second.
You holding up alright? You want a soda?
Someone.
Well, screw it, I tried.
14 seconds, dudes.
Hi, Richard. I'm good, thank you. How are you? I thought you'd win it, to be honest. Richard should have won it.
Hey,
Yay!
how you doing
And
there, big
Daddy!
guy? You holding up alright?
He's done a
You want
stinky
a
poo
soda?
poo. Not on Twitter,
Well, screw
apparently,
it, I
people
tried.
saying. Oh, it's smelly.
Hey, how you doing there, big guy?
Good, good.
You holding up alright? You want a soda?
Can you smell that poo?
Screw it, I
It's
tried.
bad, isn't it?
Hey, How you doing there, big guy?
Give me knife now. Give me knife now.
You want a soda? Hmm? Oh, screw it, I tried.
Thank you, Richard. Richard thinks I'm awesome. I bet he doesn't think you're awesome. I bet he thinks I'm awesomer than you.
Hey, how you doing there, big guy? You
Baby!
alright?
If only you could smell his dump right now.
Hmm?
Is he following on Twitter?
Oh, screw it, I tried.
Obviously not, because he's not giving me his Twitter and he hasn't. I send you a message.
Hey, Luna, apparently it's take me a message, apparently.
Who?
1 second, let me see.
We send you on Steam or Twitter or Twitter.
Hey, how you doing there, big guy?
Let's go.
You holding up alright?
Oh, smelly
You want
bum.
a soda? Hmm? Oh, screw it, I tried.
No, he's not on.
Baby! I'm gonna have to change your nappy now, sweetie. It is so stinky. Stinky.
Re-rolling. If you don't understand, then sorry.
See you around, guys. Yeah, dude.
Right, bye.
I'll see you Sunday.
Right, we're gonna have to re-roll because this dude doesn't know what he's doing. He obviously hasn't followed on Twitter, which means he hasn't followed the rules. I can't argue with that fact, so let's re-roll, dudes. Shit, you are hey. Fuck you, hey. Cool, dude. Vuduka. Oh man. Well, I know you're following.
How you doing there, big guy? You holding up alright? You want a soda? Hmm? Oh, screw it, I tried. Hey, how you doing there, big guy?
1 second.
You holding up alright? You want a soda? Hmm? Oh, screw it, I tried.
So many salty people. How did I know that was gonna happen? I didn't know that Vuduka was gonna happen, but how did I know it was gonna be salty as soon as I saw his name come up? Dude, the rules are the rules. The mods are entered. Nobody had a problem before they saw it.
How you doing there, big guy?
You know, if you've got a problem, you're gonna be salty about it. Then show a problem, but you know, you won fair and square. So, dudes,
Screw it, I tried.
the games are over. It's official. Shuff.
Who's the winner?
Email.
Who's the winner?
Vuduka.
Let's see what other mods are up.
Hey, how you doing there, big guy? You holding up alright?
Trade confirmed, dude. Trade
You want
confirmed.
a soda?
I hope it serves you as well as it served me, boo. Sad to see that go. Jeez. Vuduka is following. He's been following for ages.
Who am?
You holding up alright?
My tits are crying. Someone's people like saying something. Jawaya, baby, what's the matter? Oh.
Hey, how you doing there, big guy? You holding up alright? You want a soda? Oh, screw it, I tried.
could see on the screen that no, you didn't send me to Twitter at all. And everyone asked for reroll. Everyone asked reroll, and everyone saw the chat had no Twitter. I didn't need Twitter confirmation from Vuduka. I know he's real and not a bot and being followed and helping start.
How you doing there, big guy? You holding up all right? You want a soda? Hmm? Well, screw it, I tried.
So many of these, I wasn't expecting to win this one. If I did, I swear I would have legit just died on the spot. Agent Grief and me too, bro.
How you doing there, big guy? You holding up all right? You want a soda?
Did you hear that? Rah! He's doing new noises. He's doing new ones. He's doing new ones.
Is he? You little bam bam. Yeah. You little bam bam.
Who's that? Well, you just missed like a
Yeah.
really bad message.
What was that?
Scroll up. Dios or something.
Where.
Go down.
Is it this one?
No. Go down. That one. No. Where's it gone? I've just seen something. Go down. It was in capitals.
Sorry, I've probably got timed out, dude.
Or by someone.
Yeah.
Jariah. Really daddy.
No,
Oh,
babe.
baby.
See, I told you to stop letting him headbutt me. Oh, babe. A big bit of skull cap has come up as well.
So that was a bit funny. It
Look!
was it done?
Yeah. Completely just rubbed it off.
Oh, he wants daddy. What are you doing, buddy? People deleted the first guy's messages. Is that possible?
Yeah, but it would have been spam messages or something else.
So you're doing leaving bags of rubbish, Matt? Can you tell him not to do that, please? Leaving bags of rubbish on the floor.
Yeah.
That's not cool. Stop scratching Daddy's chain, little pussycat. You kiki. Well done, Vuduka. Bitch. Bitch. Everyone thinks you're a bitch. Sorry.
Hey, how you doing there, big guy?
But what? What you What you Matt, I've decided I'm gonna have the isolate. I'm so hot right now.
Hey, how you doing there, big guy? You holding up all right? You on the soda?